So let's start with bale chaat. Please have a seat for the time. So for the bale chaat, we need some puffed rice. So it can say bale also. So we'll do. So it's a chaat. So we need this to be tangy and some spicy and crunchy. First we will do dry items, then we'll some veggies, and on the last we'll put our secret things. So as you know, every chef has a small secret जो नहीं बताते हैं. So today I will tell you the secret. What is the secret of this? So this is papdi, dry papdi. So we'll do like this. This is नमकीन, मोटी नमकीन बोलते हैं जैसे मार्केट में नॉर्मली.
लहसुनी सेव है.
लहसुनी सेव है सर. This will give you a crispy texture in this chaat.
Okay.
This is dal, chana dal, roasted chana dal. This is the base. तो जैसे सैलेड हम बनाते हैं तो सैलेड में 3 चीज़ें होती हैं: बेस, बॉडी, ड्रेसिंग एंड गार्निश. सो व्हाट वी विल गिविंग, we'll putting some base. Now we'll put the body in it. So body sense like onion, tomato, green chili. So I'll mix already onion, tomato in a ball. We'll put some onion. Now some coriander and the green chili. Now we'll mix this. We'll add some salt, pepper in this. So this is my chaat masala, little bit.
The normal one,
The
right?
normal one, chaat masala. You can take MDH or catch, whatever you like. Some red chili powder in it. I'm not putting salt. I am using black salt because black salt is good for throat. Or so this much amount is enough. Now we'll mix everything and this thing.
So, chef, since how long you are working over here?
I have completed my 5 years along with this Hilton property,
Right.
and for industry it's almost 17-18 years.
Oh, that's very nice.
Yes. This is our chutney. You can say one is mint chutney or एक सौंठ chutney. So
Okay.
usually
That
use
meaty lal chutney.
meaty
right?
lal chutney, you can say. So this is our. इसमें हम ये ज़्यादा नहीं डालेंगे क्योंकि ऑलरेडी हमने इतना चटपटा कर दिया है इसमें अनियन टमाटो. द चाट इज़ ऑल अबाउट इट. Now I am talking about some secret ingredient in it. So now I will show you the secret ingredient of my special chaat. So did you heard about mustard oil?
Okay.
So this is the mustard oil. This will give you instant taste in this. So I'll not put too much. I'll just pinch in it, little bit, yeah. That's it. This is my secret recipe.
That's nice.
And yeah.
That's nice.
So should we serve now?
Yeah.
Just to give you a brief this thing, we are using jute plates because we love the nature. So these are the use and throw. It doesn't harm to our nature, mother nature actually.
Nice.
So now biodegradable, yeah. So this is our paid shop. We are having chart, so chart is having a small husk noise. If the husk noise is coming, so it's the best to have it. Otherwise it will get soggy, it's not good the taste, not the texture. So please enjoy. This is my second secret in the same recipe. Thank you.